According to Mark Twain, travel is fatal to prejudice, bigotry, and narrow-mindedness. Through travel, we can gain a more open-minded perspective on cultures and lifestyles that are different from our own, allowing us to expand our worldview and understanding of the world around us. This in turn encourages an attitude of acceptance and appreciation for the diversity of the human race. The power of solo travel is unparalleled and often underestimated. Lao Tzu, the ancient Chinese philosopher, astounded us with his statement. That famous saying, "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step," is truly inspiring. It has the power to inspire and transform one's life. Taking time for yourself to explore the world around you can help you to conquer your inner doubts, break free from limitations, and experience a newfound sense of freedom. It reminds us that within each of us lies an immense level of power and determination to reach our goals, no matter how far they may seem. It takes immense courage, strength and determination to take on a massive project and see it through till the end. Despite how arduous the journey may be, no matter how far or difficult it may seem, steady and determined progress can lead to one's success, and it is an incredibly fulfilling feeling. Here are some inspiring quotes that will help motivate you on your journey. But before we start the best inspiring quotes for solo travelers, stay until the end and I will give the most useful 7 tips to make your journey successful. And now here are your solo travel inspirational quotes. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Saint Augustine. As you keep moving forward, the path ahead keeps becoming clearer, empowering you to achieve greater heights with awe and pride. Traveling solo does not always mean you're alone. Most often you meet marvelous people along the way and make connections that last a lifetime. Jacqueline Boone. I travel not to escape life but for life not to escape me. Anonymous. One's destination is never a place, but a new way of seeing things. Henry Miller. The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams. Oprah Winfrey. I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. Susan Sontag. Traveling alone will be the scariest, most liberating, life-changing experience of your life. Try it at least once. Anonymous. Traveling solo is like a reset button for your soul. Unknown. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Lao Tzu. To awaken quite alone, in a strange town is one of the pleasantest sensations in the world. Freya Stark. Solo travel not only pushes you out of your comfort zone, it also pushes you out of the zone of others' expectations. Susie Strutner. Plan ahead, before leaving, have your travel documents and itinerary ready. You should also make sure you have a copy of your passport and visa, as well as another form of photo identification. Ensure you have a copy of the electronic tickets, confirmation numbers and the addresses to your destination so you can find your way around without any trouble. You should also make sure you have contact numbers for relatives or friends back home in case something unexpected happens. When traveling to remote areas, pack enough cash for the duration of your trip and make sure you have some small bills in case a machine doesn't take credit cards. If possible, pack enough clothes for 2 weeks just in case it takes longer than expected to reach your destination, as well as some basic toiletries for hygiene purposes. If possible, take your iPad with downloaded movies or podcasts that can entertain you if delays happen. If going on a long trip, bring any medication needed, such as antacids or painkillers. Bring extra food in case of delays in an airport, train station or just sitting enjoying the scenery. The most useful 7 tips to make your journey successful. Eating healthy and keeping a healthy attitude through your journey can make you feel confident that you can take care of yourself. Indulge and pamper yourself by dressing up and having a really nice meal with your newfound friends. You should also make sure you have contact numbers for relatives or friends back home in case something unexpected happens. You get to have the opportunities to celebrate different cultures and events out of your norm. Be open and say yes when and if you get invited to share meals with families, and you'll come out better for it. Costa Rica is a place of natural beauty and a haven for solo travelers. Indonesia, a fascinating place to visit solo. Those meals can represent a long-lasting memories that you will take with you forever. Egypt is one of the great places to visit. Japan, mysterious and a great place to solo travel to. Peru, another great place that solo travelers love to go to. Every country and place can be so different and exciting. Enjoy and be joyful. Please subscribe and click the bell for future announcements on my video. Thank you for watching and subscribe.